Just a quick walk around of the Team Luxe Performance Excel. DC Auto Centre, Damo and Crystal there, they've just been a massive help with all my cars, and they're really keen on this project. Natrad Morley, they've supplied us some radiators. Down the side we've got Motivate Training, they've helped us out with some branding and me personally as a driver. Luxe Performance, obviously, Team Luxe Performance Excel, all the brands that we highly recommend have used on this project. Velo, P1, Scroth, AGI, OMP. Penrite oil, obviously, been a Penrite ambassador for a couple of years now. Best oil we can get. We've got the race oil in this, the race coolant, race brake fluid, all the good stuff. Bursons Osborne Park, they've helped with all the soft goods. Garage 17 restoration, paint smash repairs, they've done the paint job, killed it. And yeah, Des with the graphics. Car looks wicked, ready to rock and roll.